Welcome back to the Wild Hearth Kitchen. We've got pork tenderloin on the menu today. So we're going to trim it, we're going to butterfly it, then we're going to stuff it with some fresh herbs, and then we're going to roast it, and I'm going to serve it with basmati rice and some steamed vegetables. A very simple, delicious, nutritious meal that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. I hope you enjoyed last week's video where we roasted a pork roast that had been marinated in yogurt overnight. And next week we're going to continue on with this theme of affordable meals that we can do together that are simple and nutritious and delicious. So please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to like and leave your comments in the comment section. We love hearing from you. Okay, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed that video. Stuffed pork tenderloin, stuff it in any way you like. Put together a couple of combinations, try new things, have some fun in the kitchen. We'll see you next week. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of our videos. We've always got interesting things coming down the pipe. And we look forward to seeing you soon here at Wild Hearth.